like, I don't know.
So serious.
It's like, what's that? Why is he going down?
He's 2.5. Well, he's gonna be 3. I put it down. Because he just pulled it out of his shirt. Who did that? Is that your mom?
My neck.
Yeah.
Wait, Jai, are you doing June too?
July. He was doing July.
Well, Diana likes to fish them out early.
I know, are you like mid-July or beginning?
You know Diana likes to have babies, period.
She'll be doing Taibo in June, and then the baby will pop out.
Just get a pedicure. My friend got a pedicure and she like had contracted and had the baby like the same day.
Well, she rearranged the house and then went out to dinner and then had the baby.
Diana?
Yeah. She's a nut.
What did I do?